What's up, YouTube? Today I will be doing the sneezing challenge. Someone, one of my fans, asked to do the sneezing challenge with Makeup Goddess, but I have no idea what that is. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So I want to try my best and just do the sneezing challenge because I saw that, but I don't see anything where it says the Makeup Goddess, whoever that is. But I'm gonna keep looking. But for the purpose of this video, it was requested by one of my fans, so we're gonna do this. Okay, so here I have a little piece of tissue, and also, by the way, guys, if you have any ideas that you would like for me to do, and if I feel that it's safe enough for me to do without getting strikes or whatever, then I would do it. But if I feel that it's something that's not good or that I may get a strike for, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know that. But I am always open to hear what you think I should do as a challenge. Because I am here to entertain you guys. But I don't see anything about Makeup Goddess. So if you have that, anyone, you could let me know what that's about and what Makeup Goddess or what she does or whatever. But for the purpose of this video, like I said, I'm just doing it for one of my fans that requested it. So be more than happy to request what you want me to do. So help me help you guys, right? Okay, so I'm rolling this tissue because I did see that it said you could use dry tissue. So I'm gonna roll this like this. I don't know how to roll. But anyway, I'm gonna try my best. So I'm just gonna twist this because I think this probably is gonna be the easiest way if I do it. Is to twist it like this. I did read that you can twist it the way you want or whatever. So I'm just gonna do it like this for now and see what happens. So I think the thinner it is, the more realistic it is to sneeze, I guess. So let's see. I don't know how this works or anything. I'm gonna go a little further back. I actually just don't feel nothing happening right now. Like, I feel that it's back there, but I don't. If this don't work in a few minutes, I'm gonna get some black pepper if I have some, and I'm gonna do this along with the black pepper, and hopefully that works. But right now, I'm just gonna try to do it the way that they say do it. And it don't seem to be working, so let me just go with this one. One nostril may be more sensitive than the other. I don't know how. Okay, let me see if I go slower. Let me see. I don't even have to sneeze it. If anything, if it's so I have to yawn. Okay, I'm just not. Okay, wait, let me see. No, it's still young, guys. It's not even a sneeze yet. It's like I could do this forever. Like, I don't know. We just put it. Like, I don't even understand how this is supposed to make you sneeze. Yeah, if I gotta do all that, I hope I don't pull anything else out. And it's, you know what I mean? Hope I don't do that. I don't want to see no critters. I don't know how you guys do that. But anyway, I'm still trying. Okay. Like, it's like, who would have thought of this? Like, I mean, to me, I don't even think it's working. And I'm putting it all the way, like, kind of like to the back. On the side. Honestly, guys, this don't seem like it's working with me. Uh, and I can't say that this is a fail because it won't do anything to make me sneeze. And I definitely can't say it's a win because I can't make myself sneeze with this. So I'm honestly gonna just get some black pepper, even though I know that ain't how it's done, and just see if I could still make myself sneeze. I mean, well, I know black pepper definitely gonna make me sneeze if I have it. If I have black pepper, it always does it. So if I get the black pepper and still do this, then maybe I can sneeze, guys, with my eyes open, I hope. As long as I do that, right? Because that's the whole purpose of it. See if you can sneeze without shutting your eyes. So, YouTube, I am definitely about to get up and get me some black pepper because this is like really is not doing anything for me. I'm not lying. It's just not doing anything for me. So, hold on. Yeah, I felt it coming on, but then it goes back. I don't understand. Now, why aren't I sneezing? And I've been here like so many minutes, and I still don't understand why I'm not sneezing. And I felt like it was coming on when I was had the black pepper, but I don't think this is strong enough. Cause I always sneeze with black pepper. I don't know. This is nope. A yawn. I think it feels like it a little bit, but even the black pepper, when I first opened this, it felt like I was gonna sneeze. And then it went back, so I couldn't sneeze. And now I've been like trying to smell the black pepper to get it to sneeze. I still can't sneeze, so I don't know, guys. I don't want to be here much longer because I was honestly here doing this for about like 13 minutes already. And let me try one more thing. Try to thicken the paper. I don't even know if I did it, guys. I think that it was a fail. I think that, honestly, I think I had shut this eye. I'm not sure. So I don't know if that was a fail or a win, but I think it was a fail. So I don't know. I have no idea. So anyway, guys, I have no idea. You would know because you would see this video. I would have to even see this video back and see if I actually won or not. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.